If you need to sign many documents and this is taking up a lot of your time, the bulk signing feature will simplify this process for you. To do this, you need to go to your inbox, select all the documents, and click the Bulk Sign button. In this view, we see the document names that require our signature, who sent them, and when the document was created. If you need to view the content of any document, you can click View Document to review it in a separate window. If you need to remove any of them from the list, you can simply click the X icon. Please note that if you have documents in your inbox that use different authentication methods, for example, some with an SMS code and others without authentication, you will sign these documents in two separate processes. In the first instance, you will select one method, sign those, and in the second instance, you will use the other method. Also, if any document contains required fields that you must fill out, you need to sign such a document separately. Let's now click Bulk Sign. At this stage, you can close this window and continue with other work on Signify. All documents will be signed simultaneously in just a few seconds.